Somewhere before entering Gurugram from the Qutub Minar side, I read a board which says that Gurugram is the city of joy. Now, if you come to this place, you will suddenly find joy is not equal to peace or quiet. It's all about noise too. Now, I'm standing at one of the most busiest place in Gurugram. That is the Sikanderpur Metro area. And this is a very interesting place. It's crowded, jam-packed. There are vehicles over here. There are malls, food courts, everything. So if there is one place where you have to experience Gurugram, this is the place where you should start. And then decide for yourself if it is a city of joy or not. Okay, there is the famous garbage disposal vehicle taking away tons and tons of garbage which is being generated by the residents of Gurugram every hour. That's a metro. It is a yellow line metro. It is coming to Sikanderpur and then it will go to Millenium City and all. It is coming from places like Aravali Biodiversity Park and all that, you know. That's the starting of the metro line. Arjangad, Sultanpur and all those places. Now, here there is a crisscrossing of the yellow line and the rapid metro. So, rapid metro station is here, the yellow line is here. So, people also use this metro station to interchange with rapid metro. That's a beautiful metro station, really colorful. And there you can see the walkway, the skywalk. Yes, skywalk going towards the rapid metro. So that's the rapid metro area. So it's a interesting switchover also, a transit point. In the far distance, you can see the city court. That is a beautiful complex. And then there are a couple of marketplaces. Coming down to this place, you can see the the modernization of Gurugram. These are all office complexes, beautiful glass buildings. And then this is MG Road. Now, we'll just take a short walk and I want to show you the chaos over here. It is chaos, it is madness, but it is all well organized. It is there to cater for the demand of the people and the travelers who come here. So this is gate number 1 of Sikanderpur Metro of Yellow Line, which helps you to come this side. The gate number 2 will be that side. You can almost see it now out of visibility. And these are the various bus stops which are there for the government buses. And here you will find all these auto rickshaws which are lined up. They are lined up basically for these passengers, to cater for these passengers. Plus there will also be auto rickshaws here. So all in all, this place is chaotic because of the traffic and the sheer volume of people who are getting down over here. There is a cop over here. He's trying to advance the traffic. But as you can see, there is parking and all. That's the bridge going to the top. There are a couple of office complexes here and that side too. But primarily this is all metro area. Now this is the garbage which has been dumped by somebody very irresponsibly, and the government authorities are almost, trying to do catch up. Another interesting thing of this place is that there is a triangle over here, and to reach that triangle, there is this beautiful footpath, which at least the government has ensured that this footpath is remains open. But this triangle is absolutely jam-packed with people and vehicles. But you can safely walk on this footpath. There is a market over here. This is the famous fish market of Sikanderpur. Now this road ahead goes to the famous MG Road, where there are malls on both sides of the road. And there are very, very good restaurants. One of them is Rajasthali, which is my favorite. It is a Thali restaurant, amazing food. There are a few shops over here, and then all of a sudden this road takes a left turn. So this is first part of the triangle which is formed over here. And heavy traffic. This traffic starts somewhere around 8 o'clock in the morning and it remains till late evening. Now, immediately after this tri-junction are the series of malls which are there in the front. So there you go. You can see a couple of malls from here. Now the first left is this side. This road further goes another left turn and then it comes back and loops towards Sikanderpur Metro. So that's how it is. That's how the layout is. Both sides of the road, there's a mall over here, JMD Mall, and the series of malls starts from here. And both sides of the road, there are shops. There is one non-veg restaurant over here, which is of course closed for Navratra festival. And then there is a series of these nurseries, absolutely beautiful. There you go. There's one nursery over here. It's a huge nursery from inside. They also got an indoor setup for indoor plants. So there you go. Wonderful. And that's a liquor store. Liquid gold, as some people might say. There is a religious ceremony going on over here. You can see the quantum of traffic on this road, and at the end of this road is a signal from which you can take a left turn. And then finally we have reached our destination. This is the Platina Mall and it has got some beautiful restaurants. That's the place we are going to go.